Hiya, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's hashtag plan fun, get things done. Each and every week I plan out everything that I have to do, and I also find time to have some fun while I'm doing them. I don't stress if I can't get everything done all at once for that week. I would spread it over time, such as days, weeks and even months. Thank God I haven't had to do that for a really long while, and things are going pretty good. I don't forget to take some time out for myself at all. I listen to music, I listen to my favorite podcasts, I take a nap. I also love listening to audiobooks while I'm doing my chores and everything, or I'm having a moment of relaxation. I go to the salon and have a regular pedicure, and also I dabble in my nails at home. I just find time, quality time, to get things done for myself. I also I'm totally watching what I'm eating, checking my weight, because I am a little bit overweight. So I have got a goal where I've set it, and I've been monitoring and everything, weighing in and doing all sorts. I do have a self-care planner that I use as well, and I will link that in the description below for you to have a look at if you're interested. But I always find time to have some fun for myself. I'm still working on a dance routine that I'm enjoying so very much, and I usually swim twice a week, but I haven't been swimming. I've given it a rest now. I will be going back to that in a few months time, and that is really helpful as well. Let me show you what I have planned for this month. Today specifically, the Monday the 16th of March up until Sunday the 22nd, I do follow the Fly Lady cleaning zone method, and also I have a little compulsory cleaning that I do for myself that has to be done. This is my Happy Planner horizontal classic, and it's my catch-all. I have most things, the majority of things that I have to do and keep a check on, it's in here. I have my budget at the back, my meal plan, I've got household and miscellaneous as well. Just have a look at those tabs, and I added these tabs for myself when I purchased this planner. For zone 2 this week, it's dust high, meaning in high places, dusting and polishing the living room. I have to do under the sofa and around the desktop area, and the washing machine and dryer, clean the filters, clean those out the drum, wipe out the drum, and wipe down any loose wires or anything I've got in the living room. That's what I've got to do. I have got such quite a short zone this week, but I also want to finish. Remember last week I started cleaning my spare room, so I want to finish that because I didn't get it finished, and that's no big deal. I'm quite happy with that it didn't all get done at once last week. I'm happy to carry over, and because I know that I am not missing out on my self-care, so that can be postponed until the following week. And then my compulsory, I do the beds. I bleach kitchen, toilet, bathroom every week. I hoover everywhere, and I'm cleaning the front yard now. I'm doing it twice a week. So front yard on Monday as well. I've just got little reminders here to check my blood pressure, and also my laps, to do my 4 laps, and also walk Archie twice a day. So that's all listed from Monday to Sunday here. Mondays I wash and dry. Wednesdays and Fridays. And Tuesday I fold and pack away the clothes. Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday I pack away all the clothes that I've washed the previous day. Monday, Wednesday and Friday I do my budgeting, but it's not like the budgeting that I was doing on my other channel, which is the savings challenges and so forth. I need to get back to that. I keep saying that, but I've been slacking and I need to get back to that. So but I do keep a check on my direct debits, what's going in, what's coming out of my account Monday, Wednesday and Friday, just so I know what those companies are up to, when you've given them a date, when to take out, you know, payment, and then they decide to take it out on a different day and stuff like that, and you've not planned for that day, if that makes sense to you. So that is why I keep an eye on the budget Monday, Wednesday and Friday. On Wednesday I want to pop into IKEA as well. I've got a couple of things that I need for the house to get from IKEA, and Wednesday and Sunday I do have a foot soak, and I'm incorporating my mani as well. Even though I don't paint my nails, I haven't sort of like put any extensions on or anything. I've just been treating them. This one broke right down the end here. I mean, you know, right down there. If I had torn it off, it would have been way down here. I had to take my time and clip it so it doesn't catch on anything. You know, when your nails split and it catches on things, oh, that could be terrible. That could be. So I didn't want to tear it off, because if I had torn it off, if you could see where it would have torn from there all the way down, that would have been quite sore. So I'm just treating them at the moment. And I've just been lazy as well to put any extensions on and do my dipping powder and stuff. Just sheer laziness, but this is good for me. I'm happy with that. On a Thursday I do a little bit of ironing and cleaning the front yard. Again, Monday and Thursday I clean the front yard, and I do have movie night on a Thursday. Friday I've got an appointment for my hair. Saturday I'm starting the spring cleaning, so I'm checking like the curtains and everything and what needs coming down to wash. So Saturday spring cleaning starts. So let me just put that in a different color. Actually, I like this color because it kind of goes with this washi. So spring, let's see, yeah, spring clean, that starts on Saturday. I've had these pens for so long, they are on their way out, but I'm just using them up as much as I can. Spring clean starts, yep, starts, yeah. So I'm just going to be checking the curtains and stuff, you know. So that's me. I try to craft most Saturdays, like all day if I possibly can, but obviously if spring cleaning is going to start on Saturday, there's no chance of me doing that. But I'll try and get in maybe a couple of hours or something, or maybe do a late night video where I'm just doing a bit of journaling, you know, faith journaling, Bible study or whatever. I'll try and see, I'm not promising. And back to Sunday, it's pedicure and mani. So it's either Wednesday or Sunday I do the mani. I don't do it twice, like my feet. And even though I have got a pedi on Tuesday, well, Archie's got a groom on Tuesday, tomorrow at 10 o'clock, and I've got pedi at 10:45. So once I drop him off, then I'll go straight and have my pedicure. But I still would have a foot soak. Even though I'm having a pedi on Tuesday, I will still soak my feet on Wednesday. That is it for my plan fun, get things done for this week. If you're interested in planning your week out for your chores, your things to do, your errands, appointments and all that good stuff, I would be happy for you to join me. It is an open collaboration. All you have to do is plan out your bits and bobs, upload it, and if you could just hashtag plan fun, get things done, and also tag me at Crafty Girl Chronicles in your title, I would really appreciate it. So that's it for this week. I would just like to show you the washi tapes that I'm using, and also my lovely Pinterest images, and the tiny icons are from a website that I got these from. I put them in my silhouettes and then cut them out, print and cut them out, those little icons. If you're interested, let me know and I will leave it in your comment for you. That's it. I've got nothing for next week going on, but everything is subject to change. I do tweak it throughout the week. I add or omit. It just depends on what is actually going on. But that's it. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.